Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a review for this electric arc lighter. I had never heard of these before, but since I burned so many candles, I thought it was interesting to do a little review and demo for you guys. You can order these on Amazon. I will put a link below. They're also doing a giveaway for one of these, so I'll put all the information at the end and in the description box. But inside we have a little 1-year warranty, and then some instructions. So it's a flameless arc lighter, and it's rechargeable too. So it has a USB cord, and it charges, and you just slide it up and it lights. It's supposed to be windproof, so it's really good for outdoor use as well, or to take it camping, but of course can be used for indoor as well. It says to charge it, simply connect to any USB port, plug it into a computer, a cell phone charger, anything like that, and it'll light up, and then when it's fully done charging, it will turn off. And then to make sure to disconnect it when it's done charging. All right, so seems pretty simple. It's nice and pretty heavy. Some weight to it. There's a little switch here, and when you push it up, there's the little arc. And I think it makes like a little zzz kind of noise to it when you use it. It did mention something about that, so we'll have to see. I guess the cord goes in here, and then it plugs into the computer or cell phone charger, whatever you have. And the USB cable is inside this little box. I'm very excited to try this out. Yep, just a tiny little cord. So I'm gonna go ahead and start charging this. And when it's fully done charging, I will come back and show you how it works. Okay, so that did not take long at all to charge. There's a little dot here that lights up blue. And then when it's done charging, it turns off. And then to use it, you slide this up, and that brings out the prongs, and there's a little button right here. And you can kind of hear it does make a little bit of a zapping noise. And it's a little bit of like a purplish pink color. So let's go ahead and test this. I do have a candle with me. Let's see how good it works. Oh, that is so cool. I have never seen anything like this before. That is awesome. And I love that it's rechargeable. Back in the day, I used to smoke cigarettes, and I would go through so many lighters because I'd burn candles, you know, use them for all different things. And then if you smoke, you're constantly using them. It's just nice to have something that's rechargeable like this, so it's a little bit less wasteful and very cool. And it's supposed to be windproof. Yeah, I'm trying to blow it out, and it doesn't. It moves the arc, but it doesn't actually blow out the flame. So yeah, windproof, so it's great for like barbecue grill or any kind of outdoor uses. This is awesome. So for the giveaway, if you find them, I'll put the link below to their Facebook page. If you like their Facebook page and share it, and then you sign up for their newsletter, you're entered to win a giveaway of one of these lighters. So I'll put all the information below. I will link where you can purchase these on Amazon. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.